Open it up, Allie.
Banana.
Banana, okay. What else?
Milk.
What?
Milk.
Milk, okay. What else? What's that?
Yeah.
Ham?
Chicken.
Oh, okay. And a tortilla, okay. What's that?
Eggs.
Eggs? What's that? What was that?
Applesauce.
Applesauce? And what's that one?
Babies.
Babies? And what else left?
Cheese.
And what's that? Goldfish?
Cheese.
And cheese. Wow, you have a lot of food there, Allie. Okay, so what's that again? Name everything again.
What's this one? Cheese. Goldfish. Banana. Milk. Applesauce. Babies. Eggs.
What's that one?
Chia.
Tortilla and what? And ham.
Turkey.
Oh, turkey, okay. Okay, good food.
Check a top.
Thank you, Allie.